Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on how to use the actual Snapseed uh, photo editing application for your mobile devices. And in this tutorial, what I will be showing you guys, as you have seen in the beginning already, I will be showing you how to actually write text in this app. I reverted all the changes, so I'm back to square one. However, when you actually open up your application, you'll see a big plus in the middle of the screen. What you want to do to select a photo is click on that plus. It'll take you to your gallery, and from there you just select whichever photo you'd like. Now, when you actually get into it, this is a similar screen that you will see. And what we want to do to actually write text is go into the tools bar at the bottom. As you can see, we have three buttons: styles, tools, and export. Just click on tools and you'll be taken to this screen. Now, as you can see here, you have a lot of different customization options. You can crop, you can use a brush, offset the white balance, expand the picture, add a glamour glow, etc., etc. However, what we want is the second from the bottom. As you can see right next to frames, we have the text. And once you click on that, you will enter the text editor. Here you can pick your text style. Let's see, style 6, and double tap the text to actually change it. I'll just enter lorem ipsum, and when I click OK, that will be it, and I can drag the text around and put it wherever I'd like, let's say in the bottom left corner. And that's pretty much it for writing text. To actually confirm the placement, just click on the check mark, and that would be it. You can also edit the text by clicking this button in the top right and clicking view edits and clicking on text. Here you can edit a lot of different things. However, those are the basics, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one.